Gang, 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 gang. You already know what time it is, gang. You already know what time it is. Dan is back in the fucking lab. You don't know what I deal with. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. I see what I deal with today. We're there with Skippa. Yeah, man. Mr. Scamming over music himself. You see me? I say, you don't know. We're there on a new one named Reminder. And yo, I've heard a lot of talk. This is reply. This is a reply. This is a reply to Raw Cash. G's on peace. A new track Raw Cash just dropped. Talk a tone. You see me? I say, where man I say, yo, scamming over music, yeah, big old leader, if you're Bobby up. You see me? I say, so, like, Skippa drop a track. And the one the name Reminder. Oh, dog, I try to remind him. Okay. I see where Skippa going on like this. Now you take a Jay-Z reminder report. I can remind him who he is. Okay. Bomba. We have to check it out. So yeah, apparently this is a reply to Raw Cash song that he dropped the other day called Talk a Tone. You see me and say much about Skippa. So we'll check it out and see what man deal with gang. Yeah man. Yo, we've been saying it, yo, I wonder where Skippa go saying, man. And the man did drop a reply to that shit, gang. Like Skippa ain't backing down. I have to go see what I go on, man. You see me, like I said, too. Like I was saying at the end of the last video I reacted to, this could be a good clash. You see me, they're both talented. You know what I'm saying? They could use this to their advantage. Good luck after Versailles Summer or all the way to Sting. You never know. You see me, I said, someone wants to see that. I'm very interested, so Skippa go, we're going to take this. We don't know all the vibes long again. We'll jump right into the reaction. I don't know what time it is. Yeah, man. It's a Skippa reminder. Let's get it. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. You already know what time it is, gang. Come on. Man, them outside, man, in the video. Oh, go on.
I done the badness again. Me a chip on the cake clip. Ben you out than my bro. Me not know how to them. Yeah.
Man said, daddy, badness again. Me a chip, man. You come in. I want to your YouTube. Don't play the badness YouTube. Don't play the badness YouTube.
Shut up, fire, man.
Shut up, fire, man. I want to them. Yeah, man.
I done the badness again. Me a chip on the cake clip. Ben you out than my bro. Me not know how to them.
Yeah. Daddy, badness again. Me a chip on the cake clip. Ben, I want to them. Come in.
Yeah, I sweepstakes and murder, shirt paint like birds. And me a walk you like a me run the world. Not talk about that the badness where you heard.
Man say a sweepstakes and murder, brother. I want you, man. Come in, man. See your shirt paint like Berger. Come in. Talk to them.
Not talk about that the
pull it back up.
murder, shirt paint like birds. And me a walk you like a me run the world. Not talk about that the badness where you heard. Say a straight a lot if you see through contain. Papa pill pan a flight killer vomit pan plane.
Clutch your sheet through clip, brother. Tear my yacht. Easy now, man.
Say a straight a lot if you see through contain. Papa pill pan a flight killer vomit pan plane. Bust a back up on a yacht, bitch swallow champagne. Me no want a cranberry cause it chase with pain. That money press the beef, make it black the lane. I know what's coming on my life and me can't refrain.
I ain't gonna lie, I like this beat too. I like how dog a chop on the beat as a vibe, you know.
Big Benz man wanna work, no crane. Can't work for no boss, yeah, me can't go to you. Boy, dog where come from, wonder the badness. No man to it that. Skull give everything, no she selling her hand. The little bleach up boy, dog where him come from. Say she move OT and she got a new
bleach up boy him come from, huh? Now come on, taking space, man. You see me, I said just the other day, everybody say who's Skippa? No, everybody at, you know what I'm saying?
The little bleach up boy, dog where him come from. Say she move OT and she got a new box. Skull up on her knees and she pay, she tell me talk. I just life for a leave, bro, me kill her, them a job. Know the pop, them rich real when
up on her knee and a, hey.
Not talk it, stop sing boss, scam your artist. Brand new skull, so a brand new mortgage, big fat.
Oh shit, weird. At that Raw Cash man talk, the man say stop talk about scam your artist, youth.
Life for a leave, bro, me kill her, them a job. Know the pop, them rich real when I talk it. Stop sing boss, scam your artist. Brand new skull, so a brand
know the Bob them rich real. We not talk it, brother. Stop talk about scam your artist. Raw Cash can talk. Come on and say, yo, oh, yo, the Bob them are pussy them.
A new mortgage, big fat goon, she no run from charges. What a dirty all this, where the little boy park and crash. Goon says she not pay, but a talking that 5 dirty.
Yeah, but dirty old beast, so if that park and crash, goon says she not pay. Hey! Hey, come in!
Little boy park and crash. Goon says she not pay, but a talking that 5 dirty all beast, now the parking lot. And I help me get it from your can't ask your God. Even for real, little boy ask Satan pull up.
Say, hell, you get it from, bro. You can't ask your guy. Hey, I'm team man, the money devil talk, dog. Skipper, what's wrong with you, man?
And I help me get it from your can't ask your God. Even for real, little boy ask Satan pull up. Down a hell, be a killers and be a girl. Wake up a demon, them wanna fear, man. Pen badness, if I make a AK slam.
Demon, them no fear, man, in a dog,
Not even Satan or evil like me. My daddy don't tell me them not have guns like these. Me keep a party.
Bro, Skipper, bro. Skipper, bro. I'm telling you, Satan and hell talk, brother. We get it, dog, but I can't use some different man for. Man, Satan and evil like me, brother. What kind of statement that, me G?
Not even Satan or evil like me. My daddy don't tell me them not have guns like these. Me keep a party in hell and flip me pan 3D.
Me keep a party in hell and film me pan 3D. Skipper. Like the more I talk to you, the more you get worse for the chat, bro. So you know,
dog where come from, one daddy badness, no man.
Outside the man, you need to stick up, bro. Man say you not catch you locking, bro. You know what I'm saying, man? You not catch you locking down and then got them on them strapped up, nigga.
That's called give everything, no she selling her hand. A little beach oh boy, dog where him come from. Say she move OT and she got a new box. Skull up on her knees and she pay, she tell me talk. Just life for a leave, bro, me kill her them a
jog. Man, they won't tell you, you see me? Jog them back, man. I'm telling you, man. Jog, we are jog, man. Big fool jog down, you see me? Dog send some old dog, but we know you no brawling this like that, you know, say, yo, a raw cash in my talk, dog. Me like them like the beat and the song, Skipper. Yeah, go on, me G.
We got it dead. No time for nobody but the shirt. Yeah, man, I said, Dave, get the ugly mama sitting before me do that. Crazy. Yeah, that. You know about crazy. You know about crazy.
Okay. So that is the bomba. This. Okay. Because my last one, I think Cracker say my David, not no Bob. Bombo cleat. I say, yo, my granny dead. I'm not sorry for nobody. Bombo cleat.
Got it dead. No sorry for nobody but the shirt. Yeah, man, I said, Dave, get the ugly mama sitting before me do that. Crazy. Yeah, that. You know about crazy. You know about crazy.
Get the ugly mama sitting, dog, before me do that. Alright. So look like say, yo, I that, you know, then kick it off, you know. Yeah, man, Skipper say, yo, forward, my old man say, yo, well, I Bob them rich, me have to talk about that, brother. You see me and say, yo, stop talking about scamming, man, sing and sing. You see me and say, I mean, say scamming over music, and the reason I say that, move up. Yo, gang, we know not talk about who not rock with dog, Raw Cash or Skipper. You see me and say, we've been listening to Skipper for a minute, you know, we've been rocking with Skipper, you see me? Raw Cash just a far up on the scene. We listen to a couple tunes from the dog and we've been a lookout for him, you see me? And say, we don't know where this I go, they might take it, you see me? But, yeah, man, interesting clash. It can't go on, you see me? I don't know if it's a clash yet, but these niggas sending shots at each other, you see me? And say, I think interesting clash can't go on, man. This can't, you know? Yeah, man, mad thing, man. It's a vibe, though. I like the song, I like the beat and everything. Man, they got them two different styles. Like I said, I'm a big chopper. You see me, a big jagger. You see me, and the man, I'm go at it. You see me, like, nigga, them I expose all the jagger, them I expose the real jagger, them all like big meat, them all like meat, them I expose who want the real meat. You see me, I say? That I go on right now. What? You see me, I say? It's a good look. As long as the man, them keep it in the studio, keep it musical, it's a good look. You see me, as long as man, a body not dead or anything there. Yeah, man, so let me know anything about the one I caption, gang. Who no think? Is in the comment section. Let me know who you think you're rocking with. Let me know who you're rocking with. CASHH or Skippa? Who got the better song? Who dropping the better diss? You know, who's the better artist? I know all that. And who got the favorite video right now? You know what I'm saying? And which one better right now? Over this, over a Reminder or freaking CASHH song that you just talk to? Which one better? You know what I'm saying? Let me know, gang. Yeah, man, but we don't know. Jambisco done. They have y'all like that, gang. You see me? Till next time, just take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. And, you know.
On the play me DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shot selector.